Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In the first video, we went inside Blog MVP and configured all of the settings over on the left-hand side. Now in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and actually connect your blog to our first blog ever Cheetah website. Let's get started. So now let's go back into the actual Blog MVP. Now all you have to do is just go down here, select Connect, and then select the website that you would like to connect your blog to. So let's go down to First Blog Ever. Now what's really super cool about this is that once we select this, you can go in and start with a blank template or a pre-made template. Now let's go ahead and keep it to a blank template. So our first blog ever is now created and connected to our First Blog Ever website. So what is super cool about BUILDERALL is that the first blog that we've created and connected to this website, we can also connect to any other website in our BUILDERALL account. So here are a list of different websites that you've created inside BUILDERALL that I can also connect my blog to. Now let's go back into the actual one-page website that I had created originally in my first video. All you have to do now, once your blog has been connected, is just simply right-click, reload the page, and you're going to notice that a blog post page and a blog feed page have been added. And that is how you add a blog to your Cheetah website. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.